Good morning, respected viewers, and good morning, respected ones. Hope of that you all are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Success with Ma'am Amara. Hope of that you all are well, and hope of that you enjoy my teaching as well. Today we are going to discuss about an important or informative topic regarding English grammar, which is an infinitive. In your daily routine, in our daily routine, we always use, we try to use infinitive like that. We try to understand some example that I need to help. Okay, I need to help. I like to dance, I like to study as well. Okay, these all are types, these all are examples of sentences which are the good examples of infinitive, we can say. Okay, we start our today learning. And before to start our today learning, I want to discuss with you a beautiful quote which is said by Dr. C.S., who was an American writer and was famous as well regarding his work or literary books which he had written for children as well. Okay, he was famous as a cartoonist as well. Okay. He has said a beautiful quote that he has given a beautiful lesson in his book. He has said that you have brain in your head. Okay, you have brain in your head, you have shoes in your feet, and you can steer your direction whatever where you want, where you can go. Wherever you can go. Okay, means to say, dear viewers, in this quote he has given a beautiful lesson, a beautiful important lesson to us. देखिए बेटा, उन्होंने कितना एक खूबसूरत सा, एक सुंदर सा हमें मैसेज दिया. उन्होंने क्या मैसेज दिया? You have brain means to say God has blessed, Allah Almighty has blessed us with the power of brain. Okay, and we can think about the problem, we can solve our problem as well with the help of mind, with the help of our mind. Okay, and if I talk about the another part, he has said that we have shoes in our feet. Okay, मीन्स टू से वो कहना ये कि चाहते हैं कि भाई हर किसी के पास अपने जूते हैं. ठीक है, अपने जूते हैं और वो अपनी जानिब जहाँ पर भी चाहें वो अपनी जानिब जो है ना फॉरवर्ड हो सकते हैं, यानी हम मूव कर सकते हैं, मूव ऑन हो सकते हैं, यानी जहाँ पर भी चाहे. यानी कहने का मकसद ये है, हमारे पास ब्रेन की पावर है, हमारे पास जो है ना हमारे जूते हैं, और फिर हम किसी भी डायरेक्शन में जहाँ पर भी हम जाना चाहें, यानी मुड़ना चाहें, हम मुड़ सकते हैं. यानी अगर वो कहने का उनका मकसद ये है कि हमारे पास ड्रीम्स हैं, अगर हमारे पास एम है ज़िंदगी का, तो हम अपनी स्ट्रगल के साथ, अपने डिसिप्लिन के साथ उसको जो है ना पूरा करने के लिए निकल सकते हैं. ओके, कितना एक खूबसूरत सा लेसन उन्होंने हमें बताया, उन्होंने हमें दिया. ओके, वी स्टार्ट अवर टुडे लर्निंग एन इन्फिनेटिव. ओके, this is also a very interesting topic of English grammar. Okay, let's start to understand it. Let's start to discuss about it. Okay, infinitive. An infinitive is the basic form of a verb. Okay, this is also a basic form of verb, usually used with to. Like I have given some examples of an infinitive like that. I like to study, I like to study, I like to learn. We need to say, we have to say, we can say. Okay, we try to understand with the good definition. An infinitive is formed by to plus base form of verb. Base form is recognized as a first form of verb. Okay, we try to understand with the examples like that. To eat, to play, to study, to write. Okay, we try to understand the uses of infinitive. Means to say, infinitive always infinitive use as a subject as well. Okay, for example, to read books is beneficial. Okay, to read is our subject. Means to say, an infinitive is using as a subject. कहने का मतलब ये है बेटा, इन्फिनेटिव के यहाँ पर आपको जो है ना इस्तेमालात बताए जा रहे हैं कि भाई इन्फिनेटिव जो है वो एक एज ए सब्जेक्ट के तौर पर भी काम करता है. लाइक दैट, टू रीड बुक्स इज़ बेनिफिशियल. टू रीड इज़ ओवर सब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस. ओके, एंड another use and as object. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यानी इन्फिनेटिव जो है एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट भी काम करता है. लाइक, आई लाइक टू प्ले क्रिकेट. आई लाइक टू प्ले क्रिकेट. टू प्ले हमारा जो है वो ऑब्जेक्ट है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये हमारे वर्ब के बिल्कुल बाद यूज़ हुआ है, वो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है. ओके, एंड थर्ड वन इज़ आफ्टर एडजेक्टिव. ये आफ्टर एडजेक्टिव भी, यानी इन्फिनेटिव जो है वो आफ्टर एडजेक्टिव भी यूज़ होता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी इज़ हैप्पी to help. She is happy to help. Okay, to help is over infinitive, जो कि यानी यूज़ हुआ है हमारे adjective के फ़ौरन बाद. Clear? And fourth one is to show purpose. To show purpose. For example, he went to market to buy fruits. Okay? आपको ये बात भी मालूम होनी चाहिए, ये पर्पस को शो करने के लिए भी इन्फिनेटिव यूज़ होता है. जैसे यहाँ पर बताया गया हमें एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू, ही वेंट टू मार्केट टू बाय फ्रूट. ओके, टू बाय फ्रूट. और टू बाय जो है वो हमारा पर्पस को शो करने के लिए यहाँ पर इन्फिनेटिव यूज़ हुआ है. Here we are going to discuss about the types of infinitive. यानी infinitive की कुछ types भी हैं. There are two main types of infinitive. Okay, first one is full infinitive. Okay, and second one is bare infinitive. Okay, full infinitive, it uses to plus verb. For example, she likes to sing. To sing over the good example of full infinitive. Okay, means to say it always take to with the first form of verb. Okay, and second one is bare infinitive. It uses the verb without to. यानी यहाँ पर हमें जो है ना to को लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, she can speak English. जैसे कि आप इस यानी एग्जाम्पल के ज़रिए भी आप देख सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने लास्ट में पुट की बेयर इन्फिनेटिव को समझाने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश. ओके, in this sentence we have not used the word to. okay, इस फ़िक्रे के अंदर हमने to का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया, तो इसलिए हम इसे कह सकते हैं कि ये bare infinitive है. Clear? Hope of that you understand infinitive, examples, uses of infinitive and types of infinitive as well. I have one humble request to you that please subscribe my channel and please share with all your good friends. Thank you so much.